In recent years, the question of whether the universe and life are products of intentional design or natural processes has captivated scientists and the general public alike. This ongoing debate, which bridges science, philosophy, and even theology, has found a new stage on digital platforms like YouTube, where complex topics can be unpacked and discussed with a global audience. One of the most intriguing aspects of this conversation concerns the intricate information systems embedded within living organisms and the universe itself. Information in this context refers to the coded instructions that guide everything from the formation of galaxies to the replication of DNA. Some have argued that the complexity and order observed in these systems point to an underlying design, while others assert that natural processes governed by the laws of physics and evolution are sufficient to explain their existence. Recent discussions, such as those presented in popular science videos, have highlighted how evolutionary theory provides a framework for understanding the development of complex life forms without invoking an intelligent designer. According to this perspective, natural selection acts on random mutations over vast timescales, leading to the gradual emergence of organisms that are intricately adapted to their environments. This process is not directed, but rather the result of countless trials and errors, with successful adaptations being preserved and passed on to future generations. The debate is not merely academic. It taps into fundamental questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. For instance, the structure of DNA, with its remarkably efficient coding and error correction mechanisms, is often cited as evidence of either a natural evolutionary process or purposeful design. However, contemporary research in genetics and molecular biology has revealed that these mechanisms can arise from the interplay of chemical and physical laws, shaped by billions of years of evolutionary pressure. Moreover, the universe itself, with its finely tuned physical constants and laws, has long been a focal point for discussions about design. Recent advances in cosmology suggest that the apparent fine-tuning might result from a much larger reality, possibly a multiverse, where different regions have varying physical laws, and we happen to inhabit one compatible with life. This idea, while still speculative, demonstrates the lengths to which science is willing to go, in search of natural explanations for phenomena once attributed to design. Digital platforms like YouTube have played a crucial role in making these complex topics accessible. Videos exploring the origins of the universe and life, such as those gaining traction in Vietnamese-speaking communities, reflect a growing public interest in scientific exploration. These videos often present arguments for and against the concept of a designed information system, encouraging viewers to critically evaluate the evidence and draw their own conclusions. Importantly, the increasing engagement with such content indicates a shift toward evidence-based reasoning. Audiences are seeking not only answers, but also the tools to understand and scrutinize the scientific process itself. This democratization of knowledge is shaping the way we approach age-old questions, moving the conversation beyond dogma and toward a more nuanced appreciation of what science can and cannot tell us about the origins of existence. In summary, the question of design versus natural processes remains one of the most profound in modern science. While the evidence continues to mount in favor of natural explanations for the universe's complexity and the information systems within life, the debate is far from settled. As our understanding deepens and as platforms for scientific communication expand, we can expect this conversation to evolve, challenging our assumptions and inspiring new generations to ask, investigate, and imagine what lies at the heart of the cosmos and of life itself.